Hello, I am Murad Al Qureshi. Now I will show you how to set up the Phantom 4 Pro drones. So let's first talk about the charger cable. So here you will get a wire like this, and just it is like laptop cable, and put in here, press it, and press a pressure, so it will like that. And here it will go to your multi-plug, and there is two types of cables. One cable is for battery charger, so I got here three batteries. So the each of the batteries like that, it has a port, and so the whole platform has three ports, 1 2 3. So for demonstration I put two of this, and just for this you have to face of this, like this and this face are same. So I put same face in a way so that it will not, and press OK. So it is now OK, and you can check the battery status, is it full or empty, just pressing this power button. And as I charged the battery, it shows four spot, that means it is fully charged. So for demonstration purpose I want to show, I will show it later. Now this is the remote controller. So it has two bars, you can move in this way. So if you use 2.4 gigahertz signal, so you have to make it 60-degree angle, and for 5.8 gigahertz you have to make it totally vertical. And there is a mode option. There is P mode, S mode and A mode. So always keep it P mode, because for beginners P mode is safe, and S mode for speed video and imaging, and for A mode where there is no GPS not available, or you have no internet, this A mode, that means altitude, you can use it. So for P mode there is a software, it's called DJI 4, I will later show it. And this is the pause button, I mean when you take video, if you feel that you need to make the video pause, then it is pause button. And this is start button, and this is gimbal adjustment, and there is also auto hold or something like that. And here you will have get this type of cable, and you can have, if your mobile like this. So for mobile adjustment I have this port, so I adjust this cable in here, and on the other hand I put it on there. Okay, so now my mobile is connected with the remote control, and now here you will get this button. So press it, and this, when you press it will automatically open. And for closing it, again pressing this button, and press it, and it will be again this position. And there is two thing in here. This is for mobile adjustment. For example, if you want to hold the mobile this way, like so you can hold this in this way. Otherwise you can also hold other way. Horizontal. So I put this cable in there and make it adjustment so the mobile will be fit in the screen. So now display is okay. So you have to install a software. It's called DJI 4. I will give the link in the description. And this thing, for this is the left and this is the right. The left upright is flying high, and this is for flying low, and this is for turning left, this is for turning right, and this one for moving forward, moving backward, turning left, turning right. And when you want to start the drone, you have to make it middle. So I make it middle. That means the propeller, this propeller will start when I make it 45 degree in here, and when I will land it, then I will press it down, this keyboard in it down, so that drone will be automatically landed and it will reduce automatically the speed. And I will hold it 3 seconds, then the propeller will be automatically stopped. This is the manual setup, and I will show you the software setup later. And there is one thing for capturing the signal. This is called surface signal booster. So let's check it. What is surface signal booster? So the surface signal booster, it captures the signal from the drone. You have to face on this way and give this way. Sorry. Okay, so I adjust it in the opposite direction. Sorry. Handle it carefully. Okay, this is the right direction. So and make it a angle so it will fit. Okay, now it's okay. So this will reflect the signal from the drone. So I leave it for now. And now came to the drone here. So the DJI Phantom 4 drone has some advanced feature, like it has you can draw the path on the software, and there is a adjustment OTG cable. With this OTG cable you can connect the drone with the laptop, and for laptop there is a software that will give a platform for the drone. And these two things, these are the infrared camera. It gives the signal for the obstacle. So I remove the plastic. Okay, so there is this is the infrared sensor, and you see here this is the forward camera, forward sensor, and there is backward sensor or backward camera, and this is the battery holding. So I take one battery from here and pressing it here, and you see here two switch. So I press it inside it and it's holding. Now it's okay. So when I will start this, now the drone is started. So I have to grip the propeller. So I take the propeller from here. Here the Amazon give me 8 propeller. So if you destroy any propeller, then you can replace it. Before using the propeller, there was a plastic, I replace it. So you can there is a signal, you see, this is unlock and this is locked. So you have to move in this direction for locking, for unlocking, and you have to move this direction for locking. So I move this direction. So that means it is unlocked. Now it will not be it will not open. So it is unlocked, and for open it you have to move this direction. That means it will be unlocked. And in this way you have to lock other propellers. This one, so this one is locked, and same this one and this one. Sorry. So you see here there is 3 backend places. So you have to adjust in according to this thing. Okay. Now my drone is set up, and there is a extension cable. I put it in there. So here, so there is a SD cable, memory card slot. So from Amazon I got 64 GB SD card slot, and I put it in here. And this is for drone extension, and this is the camera. So the camera, when you will use, you have to remove this thing. This is one called so I press these 2 things in here and take this thing, so it will move. So this is for gimbal adjustment, and this is called gimbal. So the gimbal will move, but the camera will be according to your instruction, it will be horizontal or vertical. And there is also, this is called backward downward sensor here, and you see here this is the status. So this is the status of the drone. If it shows the green, that means your drone battery and other thing is okay. And this is the drone direction. This light will give the drone direction, and this is for ventilation. So let's talk about other thing. I got with this thing, this card, and okay, I think that's okay. So let's go about how to charge the cable. So I plug this thing in the multi-plug and this in that battery. So you see here, this is red and it will turn into green when your battery is empty. So the red, you see that it is green, and it will also make green after a time. And when it will charged, it will show the battery status, and it will charge after one by one. That means if it is charged, then it will move to the next one and the next one. So this is for battery charger, and this is for the controller charger. So there is a port here, just put it in there and it will show the status in here. So if the status is 4, that means it is fully charged, and there is one button in here, this H button, that means home. So when you set up the H button, the drone will come to your home according to the instruction, and you can on this with this power button. So it is on now, and it is now connected with my drone. So thanks for watching the video, and in the second video I will make about how to use the software for DJI Phantom Pro. Thank you.